Here I have iPhone 14 Pro Max, and today I'm going to show you how to change aspect ratio in camera on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then tap on this arrow here or just swipe your finger like this, like from swipe it up, and here you can change aspect ratio. So you have like 4:3, square, which means 1:1, or 16:9, like widescreen radio. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.